Today, we are going to talk about how you can build this LinkedIn post generator agent for yourself, which will be creating LinkedIn content every day for you and autonomously be storing these things into a Google Sheet. First, I'll show you the demo, but before I do that, I should show a few examples of the posts it created. First post was like regarding the micro niches, unlock your potential as young entrepreneur. The theme which we gave was motivational content for young entrepreneur. So unlock your potential into micro niches, focus on micro niches and resonate with your experience, be deep dive specific pain, think of what the market needs and create tailored solutions and engage with the community. This is actually good because many young entrepreneurs or first time entrepreneurs do this mistake. They don't go and solve problems which people actually have. They solve that problem which actually they are passionate about, and they don't check that the problem which they are passionate about, it has demand or not. Does a lot of people face that problem or not? So yeah, this is a good post. And then we get the second post. When I tested this, I didn't give the agent the current date and time, so it thought of it as 2023. But if we focus on the post, in 2023, digital nomadism unlocked the world of opportunities for entrepreneurs by embracing location independent work. We not only slashed overhead costs but also connected with diverse cultures and innovations. Remote first companies, our flexible policies empower solo entrepreneurs, taxation. And the third one is about AI. Like in 2025, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for solopreneurs. With low code, no code platforms, we can tap into the power of digital insights without needing to be a tech expert. Entrepreneurs who have embraced AI chatbots, for example, report a stunning 30% increase in customer satisfaction and 20% boost in sales. So this all post was actually created by AI, and we have two columns here. We are storing the idea also, which was generated by the idea generation agent, and the post also, which was generated by the post generation agent, so that you can select if you want to post content about that idea or you don't. I'll also give you a live demo. When I execute workflow, what will happen is, I'll just first give you a little demo and then we will talk about what's actually happening. So when we execute workflow, first the idea generator agent will generate idea according to the theme we gave. Then this Tavly node will do a detailed research on that. Then it will pass on the research to the LinkedIn post generator. LinkedIn post generator will actually generate a post, and then it will store it into the Google Sheets. Now we had 3 ideas or 3 posts, right? When now we go to the sheet, we will have one more posts here and one more idea. The idea here is embrace the future with growth mindset. Explore how generative AI is not just a tool but a game changer for young entrepreneurs, streamline workflows, etc. And if you go to the post, generative AI is revolutionizing the entrepreneurship landscape. No longer just a concept, it's now a powerful ally for founders. Ideas to generate market ready assets, lightning speed by automating. This is actually true. Now today anybody can really generate MVP within minutes because of no code and low code tools. The shift empowers entrepreneurs to focus on the strategic growth, etc. So you got the point. Now I will make the whole agent. I'll delete everything and I'll make it from scratch. You will see me making everything live, and I'll show you how to make it yourself too. I'll also show you how you can create your OpenRouter credentials. I'm using OpenRouter here, and your Tavly credentials. Let's begin. I'll create a new workflow and we will build this live in front of you. So let's go to this. This is a blank sheet, blank canvas. We will build it live step by step. The first step while building the agent is trigger. So here we will use a schedule trigger, as you saw. We'll come here, we'll configure the time which we want our agent to get triggered, maybe 10 a.m. and then I'll rename it as daily trigger. After you name it, this is the first step. After that, you want an agent which will generate the idea for the post, obviously. So we'll click here, we'll go for the AI agent, and then AI agent. Inside AI agent, we'll click on here. Inside this, when you come, you first have to give the user prompt. Because the agent is not connected to a chat trigger node, we can't use this. We will use define below, and here we will configure the user prompt. And with user prompt, we also need a system prompt because we want to tell how and what kind of ideas it should create. So I'll exactly just copy paste the system prompt from the agent which we are using, and then I'll show you both of them. I have copy pasted the system prompt and user prompt here. Now you can see this user prompt. The user prompt is create an engaging LinkedIn post idea for young entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Focus on motivation, current trends, practical insights. Search the web if needed for fresh angles. This was given because sometimes it doesn't has to always search web, obviously, because the chat model which we are going to connect to it. they always have a lot of wisdom inside them, a lot of knowledge inside them. And we also gave the current date and time. The reason we gave that, because sometimes the agent just doesn't knows, and if it doesn't searches the internet, it won't know that it is the current date and time. So that is the reason we should give that. To do that, what you have to do is you have to first type two curly braces, then this function will come in front of you, $sign now, and you just click on it. Now the system prompt, in system prompt, this is a very detailed system prompt. You don't have to worry about recreating it. I'll give you the template, this whole template of the workflow in the description, so you can download it. When you download the template, it will be inside the template. This system prompt will also be there. So first, for the first part, we have, you are an AI agent that generates fresh, engaging post ideas for LinkedIn, targeting young entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Your goal is to identify timely motivational topics and to resonate ambitious individuals. Web search, we told that we will give it a web search tool, which we will give using Tavly. We told this the process it should follow: search for inspirations, look for angles. If you don't file compelling recent content, then use your existing knowledge of evergreen entrepreneurial themes. Generate a post idea, one sentence post idea. The reason I gave it one sentence post idea was because we will put this post idea inside the Tavly node in the upcoming nodes, and that shouldn't be more than 400 characters because you are asking a query. That is the reason. And anyways, I need only one idea, I don't need a paragraph. So we gave output format, we gave key principles. You can pause the video and take a note if you want to. It's a bit longer, but you can make more simpler system prompts. After we do that, now we have to add two things here. We have to add a chat model and we have to add a web search tool. So I'll use OpenRouter for now. You will tap on here in the chat model, then you will go for OpenRouter. And when you come here, you have to first create your credential. So click on here, you will have to create your new credential. Go to openrouter.ai. This is openrouter.ai, and after you sign up, you will go to credits. When you go to credits, first you have to put your billings information, and then you have to add a few dollars. After you do that, you can come to keys. You will first click new key, and then you will hit create. Then you will copy this key, come to n8n again and paste this key here and hit save. You will get this connection tested successfully request notification, and it's done. Your OpenRouter credential will be connected. Now I'll use the model which I want to. I'll use 4.0. So now we can actually test this agent, but before doing that, I need to do two things. I'll name this model and I'll add a Tavly Search node. If you have not ever installed Tavly, then you have to install the community node first, and then you can actually use that. You will have install button here when you first search for Tavly, and you will have an install button. Click on it. The package will be installed in few seconds, and then you can use the Tavly tool. Now when you come inside the Tavly tool, you have to first create a credential. Tavly is practically free. I'll show you to how to create a credential. Go to tavly.com. This is tavly.com. You will sign up. I'm logging in. After you sign up using your Google account, then you will see some kind of interface like that. Inside this, below here only, you will get your API keys. You can copy this, click on create new credential, and then you can paste this here. And if you hit save, you will get the connection tested successfully. I don't want to create multiple credentials, so I'll just delete this credential, and then we will have the resource as search and the operation as query, and the actual query will be defined by model, right? We don't want to every time come here and tell the query or make it a variable also. So when you click here, like let the model define this parameter, this will be automatically defined by model, and you don't have to do anything else here. Remember to change the name of the tool, because we told in our system prompt, right, that we will give the agent a tool named web search. So we should give a agent a tool named web search so that it does not get confused. Now we can actually test this. One thing you should always do is you should always test your workflows step by step. You shouldn't connect the 10 different, even if the node breaks, you won't actually know where the issue was. So it is very predictable and very easy to test the nodes again and again, and after you test that, you can pin their output also so that you don't have to test them again. So I'll test this right now. So it will use the agent, its brain and web search tool to create an idea. So if you come here, you can see the idea it generated: embrace the rise of circular economy business models 2025 by innovating your startup around sustainability and waste reduction. Transform not just your business but also your world. After we test this, now we have to add a Tavly node where the node will particularly search for 3 to 4 articles in internet about the topic which we gave it. We will click on here. We will again go for Tavly. We will go for the search option. After you come inside Tavly node, you have already added your credential. Now resource will be search and operations will be query, and you have to decide what query you want to give. We will drag and drop this query inside here. You can see this is the query it will use, the exact idea which we generated before. After that, we will add one option of search depth. The reason we are using search depth is because if we keep the search depth as basic, the default is basic, then what will happen is we will get very short articles, 2 to 3 line. We can't actually create good LinkedIn post on that, so we will make it advanced, and that's it. We don't have to do anything else. We can test it from here and see it will run, and it ran, and we got 3 to 4 articles, I think. Yeah, we got 1 article, 2 article, 3 article, 4 article, 5 articles. So that's more than enough for us. So we tested out the whole thing. You should also pin, as I told you should pin the output so that you don't want to run it again. So I'll pin this node's output. You can pin them from the whole canvas also. You have to just click on the node and hit P, or you can pin them from here also when you come inside it here also. After that, I want to add a basic LLM chain. Why do I want to use basic LLM chain rather than AI agent? Because in this part, we don't want the agent or the node to have access to any tools. We really don't need that. What we need is to take few articles and generate a LinkedIn post on it. So we'll go to AI, and we will not use AI agent. We will go for basic LLM chain. If you see the description which is written below them, it shows the difference between a AI agent and a basic LLM chain. Basic LLM chain is a simple chain to prompt a large language model, and that is exactly what we are doing. It is very simple to telling ChatGPT what you want to get, and this one generates an action plan and executes it. Can use external tool. The reason it can execute an action plan is because it has external tools, access to external tools. So we will go for basic LLM chain. After you come here, you have to first configure the user prompt. We will go define below, and we will add a prompt here. And now I'll copy paste the prompt here from the agent which I already made, so I don't want to write that all of it again. And then I'll show the prompt to you in detail. Now I pasted the system prompt here, and the inside the user prompt we have to drag and drop a few things. We will drag and drop all the articles which was there. So we have got a lot of articles. We got this one content here, and we got the second article here, we got a third article here, and I also got 4 and 5 articles. So I'll just add source 4 and source 5. Like here, if you see, the first article will be 0. See this 0. Second will be 1. So if you have 4, that means it's 5th article. So I wanna have 3. So this is the 4th article, and this is the 5th article. So it has a lot of context right now. Write a proper LinkedIn post. Now I'll show you the system prompt also a bit. It is, you are an AI agent that creates concise, inspiring LinkedIn post for young entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. I gave it exact who is the target audience, because if you give that, it is very easy for the agent or the model to know what kind of post is it wants to make. I gave it the task. Your task is to analyze the articles, extract the core insights. Let's put it as sources. Analyze the sources, extract core insights, trend or themes, identify common trends from the overarching message, write the post, synthesize the key ideas into one unified motivational message, keep it under 700 characters. This is the LinkedIn limitation. Optimize the engagement, style guidance, input, output. This is just an example which I gave it. Embrace the shift and some tags, and it's done. As I told you before also, you don't have to worry about the system prompt. You will get it within the template. When you download the template, if you want to know how you can upload the template into your own N10 instance, when you come into a blank canvas, you have to come here and you have to import from file. When you go click on import from file, it will open up your files inside your computer, and then you can choose. We also have to have a model, so we will add a chat model. We will go for OpenRouter only, and we will now select 4O mini, name it. Now if I run this, I should get the LinkedIn post created. We got the LinkedIn post. If we zoom in, the future belongs to those who embrace the circular economy as we face resource constraints and a rapidly changing market. Anyways, I don't want to read the whole thing. You got it. You can read if you want to read it. If you can pause it and read. But this is a good LinkedIn post. Now, this is obviously for test. If you want a proper LinkedIn post, or if you want something which you can directly post in LinkedIn, the best thing to do is take some LinkedIn posts from your actual LinkedIn account and give it as a system prompt, as examples, and tell it that these are my LinkedIn posts. Copy my style of writing, then produce LinkedIn post like me. So that is the best thing you can do. It will exactly copy the type of post you write, your tone and your walking thing also. That is better. That is best way to do it. So this is for the demo purpose, obviously. After that, we have to add a Google Sheet where we will put the idea and the post inside a Google Sheet. So afterwards, maybe if we want, we can post it into LinkedIn. First hit save, then go for Sheets. We will go for Google Sheets and we will go for append row in sheet, this thing. After you come here, you have to create your credential. As always, if you don't have your Google credentials till now, open the docs. Click on open docs and you will get a very detailed guide on how you can set up your Google credentials. I also have a small video in my channel which you will find in description or maybe in comment. You can go there. I have shown in detail how you can configure your Google credentials. First step is just create a Google Cloud Console project and then APIs and then watch screen. I will not go to those things in detail right now. We'll hop back to our N10 and continue. After you do everything there, you have to sign in using your Google account. When you click here, then a pop-up will come and then you have to click on the Google account and then you have to continue to sign in and then you will get your Google credentials connected. After you come inside, you have to choose which document you want to and put that document which I want to put. The details is social media post and then I will click the sheet I want to use, LinkedIn post. So I have two columns there, idea and post. So I'll drag the text into the post one and the idea must be this thing. I'll drag the output here. So we have both the idea and the post also. Now you can actually test it. Before that, we will name it as update posts and then we will test it. First save and then if we execute this, we should see I should have deleted those previous posts. We have another post. Like if you remember, we had 5 posts before and we have another post. Let me do one thing. I'll just delete everything here. Now I'll just test that node again. Pin this, even pin this so that they don't run twice. And now we can see the posts should pop up here. So this is the idea. Embrace the rise of circular economy models in the end of 2025 by innovating blah blah blah. And this is the actual post. The future belongs to those who embrace the circular economy. So I made the whole agent in front of you. This is how we can make it production ready. We have to do a few changes. For example, we can make it the idea generation also more robust and more niche specific. We can also do some system prompts inside this basic LLM chain. The best thing which you can do is, as I told you can take your previously posted LinkedIn content and put it here so that this agent knows exactly how you make content and it can copy your tone. This can be very useful for founders and professionals who don't want to create content themselves or they have been creating content for a long period of time but they want to maybe automate few parts of it so that you can generate a lot of content ideas. Maybe you can run this twice a day. It will generate 2 LinkedIn posts a day and then you can scan all the LinkedIn posts and select a few which you like and then tweak it a bit and then post. So you didn't have to go to ChatGPT and tell your idea and create everything. So this is quite useful in professional life also and for business purpose also, because LinkedIn is a place where you want to have your presence because you can generate leads from it. You can generate job opportunities, business opportunities, many things. We'll name it as I showed you every step. I think it's over. I don't have anything else to show. If you like the video, please leave a like and you can ask any questions if you want in the comments. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, you can come back to my channel. I'll be posting content continuously. If you want to download this whole template and play around with it, I will put the link in the description. Click on that link. You will download a JSON file and if you upload that JSON file here from file, then you will get the whole system prompt and everything. You can play around with it. And if you want to build alongside with me in the video also, you can download the template and then keep the system prompt and the user prompt and then make everything from scratch after deleting that. It's your wish. You can play around with the template. Actually, you should play around with templates because you don't want to create everything yourself because you don't need to, because even N10 officially has a lot of templates. If you go here only, you can access a lot of templates, 7,000. You don't have to reinvent the wheel again and again. Just start where I ended and it will help you to move forward very easily. That's it. Bye for today. I'll meet you guys in another one.